Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with my first entries into my 11,000 subscriber challenge giveaway that I'm hosting. I'm really excited, so we're going to dive right on in and see what this person made. I'm not really sure who sent this, but we're going to find out together. So this is her mini bag that she made, and it's absolutely adorable. I love the cherry paper. It's really cute. It says Grandma's Recipes, and she's got some stickers down here, and then a cute little paper clip. And I opened up a memory dex card, and I just wanted to share with you the front of it. And she made it into a baking themed one. And it says creating traditions in the kitchen, and then she's got some stickers. It's really, really cute. And this is Lisa Nason, and her YouTube channel is Crafty Lady Lisa. So thank you, Lisa. Thank you so much for participating. This is a super cute memory dex card. So I'm going to put this off to the side and see what else you have in here. And she included, she included some like baking themed. Oh, no, that's not baking themed. I thought that was a recipe. Well, actually, it is a recipe. Oh, it's a drink. It says she's got issues, so make her a drink. Oh, that's hilarious. Look how cute. So she sent me some of these napkins. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Very, very pretty, this one. And then she also sent, let's see if I can open it. That pretty one right there. And I know that you can do projects with these napkins. Follow your dream. Oh, that's pretty. I know that you can, I think, decoupage, you can do different projects. I haven't attempted to do a project like that, but that's something that is in my bucket crafty list to do. So thank you so much for those napkins. I will leave a link to Lisa's channel in the description box below, so you guys make sure to check her out. Thank you, Lisa. I truly appreciate you participating, and I will write your entry in my lovely traveler's notebook. I just wanted to share with you guys that I am keeping track of everyone who is posting and doing video responses, and this is what I have so far. And I'm using my beautiful traveler's notebook that my friend Mimi, who is Mimi Jocelyn Designs, here on YouTube, she made me this traveler's notebook, so I'm putting it to use. All right, so that is the first entry, and then this is the second entry I want to share with you. And look how super cute it's packaged up. And this entry is from Carmen Goris, and I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. I love her cute packaging. She's got a little donut right there. How cute. All right, I'm gonna open this up. And, oh, I can open it, I should open it up from the bottom. All right. All right, so, oh my gosh, this is so super sweet. I'm just gonna put this down and just zoom in just a tad. There we go. All right, so she's got her baking tags in the front, and look how super cute this was. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. So she used her dies. I love it. She's got a really pretty stitched die, and she's got this really pretty tool on top. And then she has like, she made, I don't know if she made a sticker into a charm. How cool is that? That's adorable. And then she's got these 3D stickers. That's a dimensional sticker. And then she made it into a pocket. Oh, so it's Erica's Cookie Shop. Oh my gosh, that is so creative. I love that. And then she's got all this really pretty bling on the bottom, like sprinkles. And then she's got this really cute mitten, which is, I believe it's a sticker. And then she's got the spatulas in there. Oh, and it says yum. Oh, now that is adorable. Love that. So cute. I cannot wait to use this. This is so adorable. I love it. And then this is her second one, and she's got some pink tulle on top, and this one says hello. She's got a mixer with a little pretty flower on there, and then it says Mama's Kitchen. And on the bottom it has family, and I loved how you use some of your dies. Excellent. And she's got a really pretty stitched tag die that she used with some more dimensional stickers. So that is adorable. I love your tags. And hopefully I'm focused. There we go. Super, super cute. Thank you so much. Now let's find out who this is from. It says Hola, and she's got some really cute stickers. Oh, she used one of those acrylic flamingos from Hobby Lobby. And then she's got some really pretty like a pineapple theme and like some baking, looks like a, I don't know, maybe it's like a baking theme. I'm not really sure. Looks like a bowl. Really cute. All right, so let's see what she sent. Oh, so she sent me some stickers. That was so sweet. Thank you so much. We'll definitely put those to use. And then here is her, oh, I'm gonna put this off to the side. So this is her memory decks card. And look how beautiful it is. It says best moment ever. And she's got this super cute flamingo. I have this die. And I love how you pieced him together. And then she used a variety of dies, and she's got a drink, and look at the cute balloon. Oh, that is so cute. And it says beautiful. Is that a die? You'll have to tell me. That's really pretty. Oh, I love it. And then she's got a cute little bow on her little tab right there. Super cute. Let me just flip. Okay, I can flip it over. I have to be careful not to share people's addresses. So on the back, she even decorated the back. That's adorable. So she's got the drink, and I love how you did the pineapple. That's really pretty. It says keep on the sunny side, and then she's got a hibiscus little flower right there. Oh my gosh, I love your entry. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Carmen. And she even gave me like a second like memory decks card with a little note with her information. And it says, Dear Erica, wanted to thank you for presenting your subbies with this challenge. I've never participated in a challenge and was excited to take this on. You are my #1 crafter. I love your projects and hauls. You are such an amazing and talented person and am always trying to emulate your style. I enjoy your tutorials and look forward to the next one. Your #1 fan, Carmen. Aw, thank you, Carmen. That is so super sweet. I truly appreciate you participating, and I'm really excited that this is the first challenge that you've participated in. I hope this encourages you to participate in some more challenges. I know that there are several ladies here on YouTube that host challenges quite frequently, so it's fun to play. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. All right, guys, I will leave her information in the description box below. And thank you, ladies, for participating, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.